In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a calculation formula in your Canva Excel sheet to streamline your data management process. This method will help you perform calculations swiftly, allowing you to get the most out of your data analysis. It's a straightforward process, but following along will ensure you get the accuracy you need in your spreadsheets. Whether you're tallying numbers for a budget or calculating metrics for a project, understanding how to input formulas with confidence will make your workflow much smoother. Let's start by opening your Canva Excel sheet. If you're familiar with Excel, this will feel quite similar and convenient. Once you have your spreadsheet open and the area identified where you want the calculation to be, you're ready to enter your formula. For this task, I'll guide you through using the sum function to add numbers together, but remember, there are many formulas you can use depending on your needs, such as average, count, minimum, and more. Now, to begin inserting your calculation formula, you'll want to first click on a blank cell where you need the result to be displayed. This is your starting point for entering formulas. In that cell, type an equal sign, else, which signals to Excel that you're entering a formula. After typing the equal sign, you'll notice that Excel offers a list of suggested functions like sum, average, count, and others. These are powerful tools at your disposal to perform various types of arithmetic and statistical calculations. For this demonstration, let's use the sum function to add a selection of numbers in your spreadsheet. After typing equal sum, you'll need to select the cells you want to include in your calculation. You can do this either by clicking and dragging over the desired cells with your mouse or by manually typing the range, like A1, A10, in the parentheses following the sum formula. This specifies exactly which cells you're summing up. It's a simple step, but crucial for ensuring that the correct data is being calculated. Once you've confirmed your selection, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly compute and display the result in the cell you've designated for your answer. And voila! You've successfully inserted a calculation formula into your Canva Excel sheet. It's as straightforward as that. As you become more comfortable with these formulas, you'll likely find that this method of inputting calculations is both efficient and effective, helping you manage your data with confidence. Remember, while today we focused on the sum function, don't hesitate to explore other functions that Excel offers based on your specific needs. Play around with functions like average, count, or even more advanced ones, depending on your requirements. This mastery over Excel functionalities not only increases accuracy in your calculations, but also significantly boosts productivity. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has clarified how to insert calculation formulas in your Canva Excel sheet. Implement these steps in your own projects, and you'll likely streamline your tasks and enhance the quality of your data analysis. Don't forget to check out other similar guides to further expand your expertise and perhaps discover new efficiencies and capabilities within Excel that you never knew existed.